In this video, I want to fully open this limit switch and see the basics of the operation of this limit switch and see the reason of for activating and deactivating contact. At the beginning of the work, we open these four curves. Well, mm, okay. Well, here are the electrical contacts in this part that we wire in the previous video. And in the previous video, we connected the conductor to this part and get the control wiring. Now we can remove this part. As you can see, there is nothing. When we press this lever, another lever will come out. And this lever presses this button. When you press this lever, it presses this button, and when you release it, this button is released. Well, now we will open these four curves to see the internal components of this scare. Well, these are the internal components of this limit switch. When this lever moves, this part rises and make this piston push forward, and it comes out of this part. If we put it together again, when the lever is bent, this part comes out. And by using this scale, you can open this part. If you open this scale, this lever will be separate for this black part. Okay, uh, in this way. When the lever is bent, this part comes out. And by using this scale, you can open this part. If you open this scale, this lever will be separated from this black part. Resemble the connections in this way. This part can be placed on the main base in two ways. Of course, according to your needs. You put it here and close the four scale, which is now closed from this side. You can open and close it from the other side as well. If we open this again, okay, and put it on the limit switch like this. We can install the electrical part from this part. It used to be the other way around, but now we have installed it on this side. You can apply these changes according to to your needs. We put the electrical part in this part. And tighten this curve, and we put this door on this part. It is not particularly complicated, but you can use this lever in both direction. Well, it was a short explanation about the connection of and operation of the limit switch device. If you have any question about this device, ask in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.